Respect, I was here. DJ BUMMA. Life teach me lessons, and every scar got a story. To everybody who stood beside me, respect to everybody who came and gone. I will never forget. Respect, I was here, I was there. Through the struggle, through the pain, I was there. You might not hear me, but I'm still here, sending love to everybody far and near. Respect to the ones who showed me love. Respect to the ones who gave me strength. Some came and some had to go away, but the good they did, I remember every day. I remember days when the road wasn't easy, heart full of pain, but I still kept it steady. Some people saw me when nobody cared. When I needed a hand, they were already there. I never forget every word that they said, every little help when I was down in my head. Life keep moving, people come and go, but the love that they gave me still lives in my soul. So I give thanks, I give respect for every person that I never forget. Even if we don't talk today, your kindness never fade away. Respect, I was here, I was there. Through the struggle, through the pain, I was there. You might not hear me, but I'm still here, sending love to everybody far and near. Respect to the ones who showed me love. Respect to the ones who gave me strength. Some came and some had to go away, but the good they did, I remember every day. I've been up, I've been down, I've been tested. Lost some people that I truly respected. Some walked away, some life took away, but their memories still with me every day. I don't carry anger, I carry the lesson. Every hard time became my protection. If you ever helped me when times were rough, believe me, my friend, that was more than enough. Respect to the family, respect to my friends. Respect to the people who stayed till the end. Respect to the ones who believed in my dream, even when the road wasn't what it seemed. I might not call, I might not say much, but deep in my heart I remember your touch. You might not hear me, you might not know, but the love that you gave me continues to grow. Never forget the struggle, never forget where you came from. Never forget the people who helped you when you had none. Life is a journey, and nobody knows where it ends. So show love while you're here. Respect your enemies and friends. Now I'm standing here with my head held high, still chasing my dreams underneath the same sky. I thank every person who helped me survive, every blessing that kept me alive. For everybody gone, may your memories shine. For everybody here, I appreciate your time. And if I never told you, let me tell you today. Respect and love, that's all I gotta say. Respect, I was here, I was there. Through the struggle, through the pain, I was there. You might not hear me, but I'm still here, sending love to everybody far and near. Respect to the ones who showed me love. Respect to the ones who gave me strength. Some came and some had to go away, but the good they did, I remember every day. To the ones who gave respect, to the ones who stay, respect to the ones who gone, never forgotten. To everybody who helped me through the struggle, love, love, respect. I was here, and I will never forget.